see him going? He's pretty big.
Dad, here, do video.
Oh, he's in now.
Can you video?
And what depth were you at?
60. The big puppies are.
I got all of yours.
Half of them. Not the peel part. Good part.
Did you have trouble finding the video camera?
Yeah, but I didn't know any hooks. You know where it was. I'm gonna net this thing. It's out there for a jump.
Lay him out, Tyler. Lay him out, buddy. He's a goddamn hog. He's a hog. He's a goddamn hog. You see him splashing?
He was ripping the water out.
Your dad, you're gonna have to video, can you?
He's got a ways yet, Dan.
He's right there.
He's not ready. He's gonna take one look at his boat and say, "Hasta la vista."
Well, yeah, anybody does. Look at it. That tip moving. That tip's going crazy. It's going crazy.
Nothing net?
Nope, that's it. It's not ready.
You ain't netting it.
Oh, hell no. Your dad. Tape it.
Second, man. You want to go on to that side?
Yeah. Wrong way.
Dad, you're turning the wrong way. Here. Videotape it.
He's got a ways.
I don't know how to do that.
Hold it on.
Man, he went again.
Did I just cut it off and grip tie?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know if he's...
Dan, pass me the camera. I can't even see. Is it going? I don't know if it's going, Ty. What the hell?
You can't hold it all the way out.
Okay, I got it, Dan.
You guys, I don't care. It's good to meet you.
You want a video, Dan?
Hey, Dan.
Get ready, Dano.
Oh, it's 40 pounder, Ty. Holy shit.
Okay, Dano.
You want me to net him?
Yeah, right.
Oh, he's going. He's seen one look at the boat. Dano, maybe let Guido net him.
Yeah.
Okay. As long as you and Tyler don't mind. Okay, he's coming back again.
Just don't get him head first. Don't tail first.
Go and hit his head and turn as quick as soon as I get him in the net so you can't pull it
Okay.
off.
Don't lift it, just turn it. There he is, Dano. Dan. Oh,
He's too deep.
okay. He's going under the boat.
He's huge.
He's not ready yet. Let him go, Ty. Let him. Oh, Jesus Christ, he's going to get the ball. Okay, Dano, he's coming up.
Holy God.
Okay, Dano.
Nope.
I'm stuck.
Dan, I don't know if you can do that.
Step back, Dano. Can't see him. He's going for the goddamn...
Oh, Jesus. Oh.
There you go.
Whoa, you should have had him there, Dano.
Gotta pull him, Tom.
Nope. I can't see him. Right in the glare.
No, he's doing all right. Can't see him, Dano.
Just riding him.
Holy shit, just
Okay,
tire him
Dan.
up till
Okay, Dan.
Here he comes.
Oh, you missed. You're big for
Oh,
the net.
damn.
He's too big for the net.
No, no, no. Okay, get him now,
Didn't
Dan.
even get in the net. I put a house. No.
No, wait.
Dude, he didn't fit in the net.
Okay,
I
move
had
the
him
net.
in the net.
Okay, now, Dan. There. Okay, turn the net, Dan. Turn the net. There. Okay. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in.
I got him in. Holy
Good
shit.
job, Ty.
Wow. Good netting. Good netting.
Good job, boys.
That's 30.
That was worth
Good job,
waiting on
netting,
me.
The
Dan.
net, it was bending. I couldn't
Good job,
go.
Dan. Oh.
Dude, the first time I got him, the first time I tried to net him, he freaking just turned. He totally flipped the net. The net almost busted.
Oh, I was a little, let's see, Ty. Holy shit.
Oh, I'm serious. The thing, I had it in the net. Its nose was in. The freaking tail came out of the back. That's why you don't have that
That's
butt end in it.
35.
He's not even 25.
Oh, yeah.